how fast or slow it's moving around those different channels?
I would think you would want to build a model of the valve that allows you to introduce different pressures or flow rates to it that you could measure the output of.
Well, it looks like maybe you could measure things along the path of those squares which make up the mesh.
Well, it also has different types of intersections of the mesh, right? Where there's these tight angles, it's
kind of splits into
whereas
two.
here it's intersecting it perpendicularly, so maybe the way that the grid is adapted within the valve would imply some kind of information that would be useful.
Well, that one has some darker shading around the outside edges. Not sure what that means, but
Could be indicative of friction against the edge of the valve material or differential pressure inside of that volume. Also looks kind of 3D to me too.
maybe P has something to do with pressure. Those are
Looks
my...
like you got the X, Y, and Z axes in there.
No. Some of them kind of don't have the, they're sort of smooth. They look like an upside down D, but these look like a typical P.
Different font styles at least.
Right. Well, everything on this side of the equals is simple, and everything on that side is complicated.
It's got a value for N and J.
Consistent values.
Well, this one's got subscript of J. This has J plus 1, J minus 1, and J.
And that one's
N plus 1, and the others
N.
are all just N. Well, the velocity is more uniform in the second one and in the first one. There's obviously some hot spots of turbulence and slowdown, saying blue is slow and red is high. There's a lot of irregularities and eddies. And yet,
But there's definitely a pretty smooth path. Well, in the straightaways, there's a lot of yellow. I don't know what yellow means, but there's more yellow in the straightaways, and there's lighter blue in the offshoot channels.
okay.
Definitely more turbulence at the end.
Well, I think it's because what you said, it's super difficult to calculate. Well, I guess I got to go with turbulence 1 then.
Yeah.
It looks more fluid.